This cold weather really goes through me. It would be nice to escape these conditions for a little while every year.
Purchasing a vacation property is an investment. Be careful not to confuse a lifestyle purchase with an income rental property purchase.
Purchase plan items to consider. 1. Your objective: to generate rental income, buy, hold, and rent, or a vacation lifestyle property.
2. Location. How will you get there? What is the ease of transportation, including proximity of airports, flight availability, and ticket price?
3. Mortgage financing. Equity takeout from a Canadian asset or mortgage arranged through a Canadian or US lender.
4. Ongoing maintenance. Projected costs such as maintenance fees, property tax, insurance, utilities, and mortgage interest costs. Property manager or self-managed?
5. Healthcare. Ease of access to healthcare. Can you qualify for medical health insurance? What will the coverage cost?